Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we are drawing
a rocket?
a space rocket.
Ooh.
Yeah, as you can see, we made a little border on our pages beforehand so that we will keep the picture within the page and we don't cross over the borders here. Okay, so we take the big side of our marker. Here we go. And we're going to do a basic shape, just like that.
A basic shape. Oh no, that a rocket.
You just skip. That's fine. That's fine. And we're gonna finish that base off there. Now you get to decide how many windows does your rocket have. 1 or 2?
I think I had 2.
You have 2. Okay, I'll have 1. And then we can add a little outer line there to show the frame of the window.
Yeah, I already did.
Oh, you did? Wow, you're way ahead of me. Okay, so now we add the little booster at the back here where the flames come out.
Okay.
Throw some lines across there.
Draw a line up here.
You have that. Some rocket ship wings.
A rocket ship wing.
And a rocket ship wing on this side.
A rocket ship wing on this side.
And a little tip there.
Ooh.
And we're gonna do a band over here that we can add another color. You like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we can take the smaller side of our marker and we're gonna draw in some stars. So look at this. I'm gonna draw the stars pretty big. You just make a star shape, any shape you want. It can even be a circle, as long as it looks almost like a star. Or if you make a circle, it will just look like a distant planet here, making a circle as well.
Yeah.
Is that marker dry? Okay, you can use the other side. You didn't know it was dry. You can do the star.
Wait. I did that.
Yeah, now you do your star. Yeah, and there, and there, and there. Okay, so down here, we draw some flames coming out the bottom of the rocket.
I don't know.
You can just do like a wild shape because the flame, there we go, that's fine. And we draw another shape within that one. And there you have your flame coming out of your rocket.
Yeah.
So we can draw from this line across here. You know what that is?
A planet?
That's a planet. And we are going to draw another planet in the opposite corner.
Okay.
Where do you want your other planet? We're going to draw a planet with rings now.
Yeah, I want to do that.
Okay, so look at me. Draw a half circle.
A half
Like
circle.
a arc. And watch this. A line coming out there, touches the bottom and goes back that side. It looks like a little hat.
Oh, you're right.
And we do another line there for the other part of the ring. And now we draw the bottom bit of the planet sticking out. And you have a planet that has a ring. And I'm gonna add another moon down here. And the moon has craters on it.
Yeah.
You just draw random little half circles or full circles. Can be little craters on the moon.
Yeah, you see a moon like a half.
Yeah,
Or like a letter
Oh, a
U.
crescent moon. Yeah, you can do a half moon if you want to.
Or a U moon.
Okay, you do a U moon. Let's see this U moon. Here we go.
Yeah, that's a moon.
That's called the crescent moon. That's cool.
Oh no, I let the rock by my thing.
And now, you're drawing craters on the moon as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm adding another star down here.
But I need two.
Mm-hmm. And another little planet up there. And another little one there. And I'm going to add another little star there. So you add your stars wherever you want to. And there we have it. That's our rocket ship.
Yep.
Okay, so let's add some color. Why don't we color the spaceship first?
A melting.
Okay, I'm gonna go with blue spaceship. Can I do a blue spaceship?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you.
The spaceship is gonna have blue wings.
Yeah.
Blue wing on this side. My window frame is gonna be blue. As your colors coming along. Ooh, red, nice.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna add some green. Some green on my spaceship. Got my green band going around my spaceship. Do you remember what Benny said in the Lego movie?
Yeah.
What did he say?
Spaceship!
Spaceship! Spaceship! And I'm adding a pink tip. And
Yeah.
now I'm gonna do my flames.
It's not the end. Red.
You're just adding red.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. That's how the rocket look like. I mean, you know that part
The flames?
is red.
Yeah, the flames can be yellow and red.
Oh, too.
Fire, it's fire.
I know.
So I'm gonna add some red on the inside, or maybe orange, just a darker orange.
Yeah.
Good thing we have all these colors here.
Mhm.
And I'm going with another little blue color just for this middle one here. I think I'm going to keep the rest of my spaceship white.
Yeah, me too.
And then we need to color in our planets. I went over the lines again. Oh man.
Yeah, right. What the Bob Ross.
What Bob Ross said?
Mhm.
He said it's just we don't make mistakes.
We make a little accident.
We make happy little accidents. That's correct. I'm glad you remembered.
Yeah.
And I've got I'm gonna make a green moon or green planet back here.
Yep.
And some yellow stars.
I need some. I need yellow too.
Some light yellow stars. Remember, our background is going to be completely dark.
Yeah.
So we can leave a star white even if we want to. And this planet down here, I forgot about my planet. My planet's going to be bits of green. I'm going to make it look like Earth. Okay, I'll just make it completely green. Ooh, over the lines, over the lines, over the lines.
Oh.
What color are you making your planet?
I wanted to give a planet a happy face.
You can.
Yes. What a blue.
It's a happy planet.
Yeah. You do in and a lot of aliens.
There are lots of aliens.
But you always be happy. Somebody said and I used to do a power hug. That means we will be happier than.
Will it be happy again?
Yeah, like angry, bored. learning some math.
Learning some math.
Yes.
Yeah, some alien math. 1 plus 1 is still 2 in other planets,
Yeah.
probably. And my little planet with the rings. Where can we go? What color don't I have? I don't have a red planet yet.
Yeah.
Just hold on with that. I'm just making my red.
Yeah, I did color the new moon today.
Okay, a red ring with a pink planet.
Okay.
Do you have all your planets and your stars and everything colored in? You need to color in your planet.
Yeah, I know. Love them.
Let's see what you doing now. Oh, you're doing your ring. Ooh, nice red, solid red. Wow. You're staying within the lines nicely. And your planet look like an egg planet.
They're not an egg planet.
That's cool.
Egg don't have a ring.
Do you have your yellow star? You have another. Okay, now we can do our background. Remember?
Right.
Are you okay? Continue there. So, because this is gonna take a while, we're gonna speed this up in the video. So here we go.
Yeah.
So we need to stay within the border, and we don't color over
Wait.
our planets and our rocket ship.
Look, I only have 3.
What's wrong?
3.
No, you can have the blue. Do you want the purple?
The mail?
I'll do the blue space.
I
So
do
let's
the
just
purple face.
stay within the lines. And there we have it, everybody.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's a lot of space to color in, so it's will take you a while. And
Yeah.
even had to help Izzy out a bit. He got tired of coloring space.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yeah.
Please like, do subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
Bye.